Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I use aloe vera coupled with some other ingredients to soften thick natural hair. This mixture I'm about to show you prevents hair fall, it thickens the hair roots, and it stretches out thick hair. If you are the type that doesn't like using relaxer, just like myself, this is the best mixture for you to always apply on your hair. Do this every week before you make a new hairdo, and your hair will be softened all through the time you'll be carrying your hair. And the next thing here we're going to be adding to this mixture is flaxseed. Flaxseed has been used for a very long time in cosmetics, in food, and even in hair. Some people add it to their muffin, some people eat it just like that. I also want to let you know that flaxseed has a very nutritious component that enriches the hair. Flaxseed also helps to strengthen the roots of the hair, and while doing this, it keeps the hair from falling off. So I'm just going to be boiling that flaxseed for about a few minutes, and I will be straining using the net, just as I am doing right now. And the next thing we'll be adding to this is raw honey. Know that honey helps the hair follicles by adding shine to dull hair, and it also moisturizes the hair. So I just added 2 tablespoons of honey, and I added my aloe vera juice, and I stirred the whole mixture together. And what we have right now is a complete mixture that stretches out thick hair, that helps to prevent hair fall and thickens the hair roots. Alright, the next thing we'll be doing here is to show you how to apply on your hair. You can apply it on an adult's hair or a toddler's hair. So make sure the hair is completely washed, and make sure you feel the temperature of the mixture. Ensure it is not hot at all. You can use it while it is still very warm, lukewarm. I add this mixture on my hair and that of my daughter's hair every week. That would prevent our hair from falling off and also give it the opportunity to grow better and healthier. Alright everyone, I am done applying the whole mixture, and I'm just combing it out. I tell you, it looks silky, it feels soft. So combing it out will help us stretch out the whole root, the thick root. Look at that, it looks awesome. So you want to do this to your hair or your toddler's hair. I have said this earlier. Please, you can use this on a toddler's hair. It is very, very healthy on a toddler's hair and an adult's hair. Alright everyone, I am just combing it out. It looks so awesome. I see my daughter is so cooperative today. She has always been cooperative, and she's an awesome girl. Alright everyone, this is how the hair looks, and I just allow it to just stay for about 45 minutes. I love keeping every treatment on our hair for 45 minutes before washing off. And I'm gonna be applying this hair conditioner on her hair. If you want to know how to make this herbal hair conditioner, the link to making this herbal hair conditioner will be on the description of this video. Applying this to your hair does a lot of magic to your hair. Alright everyone, thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Share my content with your friends, families, and loved ones. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye, love you.